Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today at this channel, my YouTube channel. What we do is we introduce options, vocational training options in Germany. And this is a continuation video. The previous video, if you're interested in graphics, it's in the playlist. You can watch this video. It explains what the job description is and the certificate needed. And let's not forget, you are in Germany. If you want to go into any vocational career, you have to learn the German language. Like I used to say, I always say, when it's more technical than you need a higher level of German language. It's only when it's not much technical, then that is when you can go for the B1s. But when it comes to professional careers, it's from B2 upwards. And in this video today, I'll be discussing the fifth career path under Berufe Rund und Druck und Medien. The duration is 2 years. It's a Photo und Medientechnische Assistentin. That's Photo and Media Technical Assistant. The duration is 2 years. If you're interested in photography, you are someone that is interested, you love cameras, then this is a career you want to look into. It's a Berufe. It's a vocational school occupation, and you need your Mittelbildungsabschluss. That's your intermediate level qualification certificates. That is, anything lower than this, you are not accepted into this career path. But anything higher than that certificate, yes, your chances are high. So if you want to go into this career path, then this is, if you are a lover of cameras, you are a lover of shooting films, lover of taking pictures, then this is a career you want to look into. The duration is 2 years, and it's a Beruf Fachschulberuf. It's a vocational school occupation. So what do? They operate, maintain systems for photo and media technology, digital or analog systems. They control the system, they control the outputs of the device, the coloring of pictures or video or the audio. They control it. They encourage customers with the latest technology. They create multimedia applications and prepare presentations as well with devices. They produce image sceneries or scientific purposes photo shooting. They use photo technical equipment, cameras for lighting devices. They make sure that what they are doing is following the standards, and they make sure that they give the best output of image, audio, pictures. Where do they find employment? They find employment in advertising industries, PR agencies, printing agencies, media agencies, and also film industries. So if you are interested in filming and you want to know how the camera is being used, or you are interested in photo shoots, you are interested in anything that has to do with the camera, then this is a career you want to look into. If you are a lover of camera, you like taking pictures, you like making videos, the duration is 2 years, and anything lower than the Mittelbildungsabschluss, you are not accepted into this career path. Watch the next, continue to watch the next video, because the sixth career path is going to be explained. Feel free to share with family and friends. If you have not subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. And don't forget, don't give up on your careers. Yeah, so this is the sixth career path under this second area of specialization. That's the Kauffrau für audiovisuelle Medien. That is audiovisual media clerk, both male and female. So the duration is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? You need your university qualification, your secondary school, or your high school. That is your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, and your Realschulabschluss. It is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training, and it is 3 years. So what do they do? Salespeople for audio and visual. They organize the use and purchase of equipment for media production, e.g. film, television, multimedia agencies. What do they also do? They check financing options, participate in production and production. They buy rights and licenses for the stations, for videos, channels as well. In production and distribution, they obtain information about markets, they analyze it, and contribute to the marketing concept of in accounting and controlling. They control the pricing and the payment options. They prepare accounts for liquidity and data security. They prepare accounts for it. Where do they find employment? They find employment in media agencies. They are broadcasters, where there's broadcasting, in media advertising agencies, and in publishing companies as well. That's where they find employment. So if you're interested to work in the film industry, you're interested to work in the television station, you are interested to work in the area of audiovisual aspects, when it comes to broadcasting, when it comes to filming, when it comes to media houses or publishing houses, then this is a career you want to look into. So this is the 6th career path. Watch out for my next video, which is going to explain the 7th career path under this area of specialization, because there are still more to come. Do good. If my video has helped you, write us in the comment section, share with families and friends. For someone who doesn't understand the language yet, integrate into the system. Germany is open, and you can take these courses and integrate, learn the German language, take these courses, go for your careers. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, because only you can stop you.